3 level, 3 reward, 1 powerful challenge. Level 1 is your starting point, your foundation, your warm-up. To complete level 1, you must build 5 legs. Each leg complete 110 RV of repurchase for the month. It's simple, it's clear, and it's fully under your control. And once all 5 legs complete their 110 RV, you unlock your first reward, which is 100 AP. Level 1 is the level that builds discipline, movement, and confidence. It shows that you can build, you can duplicate, and you can lead. Level 2 is where momentum begins. This is when your team start multiplying. Your 5 leaders each build their own 5 legs. Simple duplication, fast movement. 25 people completing 110 RV of repurchase. This is where your team start to grow without you doing all the work. Leadership appears, teamwork becomes real. And once this duplication is complete, you earn your second reward, which is 200 AP. Level 3 is where everything explodes. This is the level where real growth happens. Everyone from the level 2 duplicates again. More people, more energy, more movement. A full chain of duplication, all completing 110 RV. This is no longer just your effort. This is the power of your entire network moving together. And when your level 3 completes, you earn your biggest reward of the month, which is 300 AP. This challenge is not luck, it's not chance, it's not guesswork. It is a system built on 3 things: teamwork, duplication, consistency. When your team moves together, everything becomes easier. When duplication starts, your network grows automatically. And when you stay consistent, you earn every month, level by level, reward by reward. So, don't wait. Don't watch others succeed while you sit still. This challenge resets every month, and every month gives you a fresh opportunity to win. Start building your 5 legs today. Guide them, push them, duplicate them. The earlier you start, the easier you finish. This your moment. This your challenge. Start now before others take the lead. So thank you, see you at the top, and bye-bye.